Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be showcasing all of our Genesis emblems that we have available on our website, which is boostedwhips.com. We'll go ahead and start off with the G70. Some of these emblems are actually cross-platform compatible, but let's go over each one of them. So we'll start off with the G70 here. So we have it in matte black, or we have it on a gloss black. So this is compatible with all year models of the G70. So you have that option there. Moving along with the Mini V2 wings, these come in a set, so you'll get two of these. These can be placed anywhere, so it is cross-platform compatible. Just because you can place them in any location of the car. It can go on the seats, either on the back, the front, the headrest, wherever you would like to put this, even on the engine bay. So these are the Mini. It does have the resemblance of the 2024 that has come out, with a slight little difference on there, but it resembles almost the same. So comes in silver with black. So here's the other one with silver and black, a set, or you can get them in a all black combo here. So comes in a set of two, and that's that. Coming down to the big emblems, these here we made them a little bit wider, just a little tad. So this gives you a nice cross-platform, compatible with the GV70, GV80, G80, and the G70. So same concept, comes in the all black combo, or you can get them in the silver with black combo. Very nice setup here. Again, all of these are on sale at boostedwhips.com. So that's that. Coming down to these here, these are the Genesis lettering. Same concept, matte black, or you have them in the gloss black option. So very nice. If you want to go ahead and black out your emblems, this is it. This comes with the proper spacing. This one's only for the G70. So G70 22 plus, which are the ones that come with this lettering. Again, if you would like to add them in the pre-facelift, you can. So that's that. These do come with the stencils here, so that you can actually position them exactly where it goes, where your original OEM goes. So for spacing and whatnot, that's very, very useful. Coming down to the last accent here, these go on the seat. I did do a video on this one separately, so definitely check it out on my channel. So these go on the actual seat. It does say "Born to Move" from the G70. I really like the accent on these, and the design, just simply because I feel like it defines the G70 platform on what it is. As you guys know, anything that you add on the G70, it just really moves. Even stock form, it's a very nice platform. It goes fast, especially the 3.3. So these are all available again on our website. Please check us out and follow us on Instagram at boostedwhips_official or boostedwhips_carbon. We do have carbon fiber steering wheels, hoods, fenders. We have a bunch of other different things. So definitely check out our website, check out our Instagram. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, if you guys want to see specific products, definitely send them my way. I might be able to source them and get them on sale as well on there, or better pricing. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.